Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So, I'm feeling lost. And this is something that I think practically everybody who goes on this journey as a YouTube content creator or just putting himself out there on the internet will experience. And what do I mean when I say feeling lost? Well, it's as simple as it sounds. You just feel completely lost. You don't know where you're going, and you don't really understand how you got lost in the first place. And I think the worst thing is the unknown part, the part where you don't know where things are gonna head or how it's gonna turn out. And so as a YouTube creator, when does this normally happen? Well, quite often for most people, it's whenever they're not getting the results that they want, that they'd hope for, especially if they put in a lot of time and effort. So take, for example, my situation where I've been on YouTube for more than 5+ years. And even though I'm thankful for everybody who comes to my channel, who subscribes, watches my videos, support everything that I do, and also gives me a lot of great feedback and ideas, I'm still not where I thought I should be, where I wanted to be. And because of that, on those moments where you have these long dips, and especially if it goes on for quite a while, then you feel absolutely lost, and you start really second guessing whether or not these decisions that you made, multiple decisions, is the right way to go. And if you're feeling this way yourself, I can completely understand. As somebody who always talks about taking the path that's least traveled and also trying new things, I also understand the realities of it and the emotions that come with it. And so whenever you do feel this sense of being lost, or you actually do feel lost in completely every single area, what do you do at that point? Well, the answer to that is quite simple. You either go back or move forward. There really is no other options. If you stay where you are and you're not moving forward, eventually you're going to move backwards. But in this entire journey of being lost, you discover something else. You discover something that you never expected, because on this entire journey, wherever it may take you, it's going to lead you to other paths and journeys that you probably would have never expected. And here's where the big positive comes out of being lost. And the biggest and probably most wonderful thing that you'll discover on this journey of being lost is finding yourself. Not only the person that you were before, but most importantly, the person that you become and the person that you've yet to become in the future. And that, my friends, is the beauty of being lost and discovering where your true journey is. And so if you actually had any thoughts in this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, my continuing journey, check out my playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.